In today's video, we will learn about the nucleus. In the previous video, we learned about cells, and we learned that nucleus is a really important part of it. So, without delay, let's move on. To start things off, what really is the nucleus? Well, the nucleus is an organelle that is present in almost all eukaryotic cells. That means in all animal cells and the plant cells. Well, it is usually round or sometimes oval, and that is surrounded by a double membrane, the inner membrane and the outer membrane. Together, they are called the nuclear envelope. The nucleus is like the cell's brain. If the cell was a city, well, the nucleus would have been the government. It stores the cell's genetic material, which is known as the DNA, that carries the instructions for making proteins and controlling everything the cell does. It can be growing, it can be dividing, or it can be responding to the signals and more. Now, this is an animal cell, and the nucleus is right over there. Well, let's learn about that. Well, this is a nucleus. Let's start things off with the nuclear envelope. The nuclear envelope is a double membrane that protects the nucleus. It separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm in the cell. The nuclear pores we see over there, they allow the molecules like RNA to pass. We will learn about RNA later. The nucleoplasm is like the jelly-like substance that is inside the nucleus. The nucleolus, it makes ribosomes. Well, if we look into an eukaryotic cell, we can see there's ribosomes. Well, the nucleolus makes the ribosomes. And lastly, chromatin, which is, you can say, the DNA. It contains the genetic instructions. Now, DNA and chromatin. Well, DNA is coiled into a chromatin for chromosomes when dividing. It carries the genes, which we know as the instructions that is used to make proteins. And every cell, they have the same DNA, but different parts are used. It overall depends on the cell's job. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any query, feel free to ask in the comment section, and you should watch the video that you can see right over there, and please subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you.